We'll guide you through how to send files via Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drivegoogle.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the New button on the top left corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select File.big if you want to upload individual files or a folder.big. If you need to upload an entire folder, navigate through your computer's File Explorer to select the files or folders you wish to upload. Once selected, click Open and your files will begin uploading to Google Drive. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner showing the upload status. After the upload is complete, locate your files in Google Drive. To share them, right-click on the file or folder, then select Share from the context menu. A sharing settings window will pop up here. You can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the files with. You can also click on the Get Link button to copy a shareable link. Make sure to adjust the permissions as needed by clicking on the drop-down next to the recipient's email. Or the link settings, you can choose between viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on how much access you want to give others. Once you've set the permissions, click Send or Copy Link. Now your files are shared, and recipients will receive an email notification or can access the files via the link. It's that simple. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.